Hi, so we're still working on our free app that we've hopefully downloaded called You've Got Rhythm. It's best on an iPad because it gives you space to play it, but it can still be used on phones. So we're going to go back to the first page, which is the African drum, the djembe. And I don't know if you can see, and I'll get really close, but when you touch the screen, you get a burst of colourful musical notes. So you know when you've been successful in touching the screen and making that sound. And that is on all the notes. And onto the congas. And that's how easy it is to play.